Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Inside with Dara. So today I'm going to be sharing tips on how and where you can source for your fabrics for your boxers here in Nigeria. If this is something you're interested in, kindly watch this video to the very end. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. So before we get down to the business of today, I have a training coming up on how you can start a successful boxers ready to wear business. If you are someone who is passionate about going into the business and you need someone to guide you, the training is up for 5,000 naira only. So if you're interested, I'll be leaving a link in the description. Do well to click the link so you can be added to the class. So let's get down to the business of today, where you can source for fabrics for your boxers here in Nigeria. The first location I'm going to be sharing with us is Balogun Market in Lagos, Nigeria. Balogun Market in Lagos, Nigeria is known for its large range of cotton fabrics that are ideal for boxers. So if you are someone in Lagos or someone around Lagos, Nigeria, and you want to venture into the boxers ready to wear business, or maybe you want to make for yourself or for your family, you can do well to visit Balogun Market in Lagos, Nigeria, and you are going to be making your choice because there are a lot of fabrics there that are going to be that you would like for your boxers ready to wear business. So the second market I'm going to be sharing with us is Ariaria Market in Aba, Nigeria. This market is known for its large range of fabrics. I tell you, people that are going into ready to wear, it might not be boxers right now, but if you are venturing into a ready to wear business, you should do well to visit the market in Aba. You are going to get the fabrics of your choice. The third market I'm going to be sharing with us is Kaduna Textile Market. This market is known for its locally woven fabrics and also cotton fabrics that are ideal for boxers. So if you are somewhere close to this location, you are someone close to Kaduna, you can do well to check out the market and get the fabrics of your choice. The fourth market I'm going to be sharing with us is Kano Kantin Kwari Market. This market in Kano is a very large, big market. This market is a very big market that you are going to get the ideal fabric that you are looking for boxers. And if you are not in any of this location, you can do well to look for locations around you where you can get these fabrics from. Just ask around for markets that sell shirt fabrics or bedsheet fabrics. If you have been taken to the market, you can just take a close look at the fabrics that they have. Do well to make good choices. Do well to look for fabrics that are cotton in nature. Cotton fabrics are ideal for boxers. Don't go for anything lesser than cotton. Do well to look for cotton fabrics and make your choice. You can get it anywhere around you. You might not have to visit these places that I've mentioned. So guys, I just want to add, if you are getting your fabrics, do well to go for good fabrics. Don't go for fabrics that are inferior. Do well to look for good fabrics. Do well to go for cotton fabrics. Cotton fabrics are soft, they are breathable, and they are ideal for comfortable boxers. If you are making boxers and your clients wear these boxers and they complain, it's not something so good for your business. It's not good for your business. Do well to look for fabrics that are durable, fabrics that are soft, and these fabrics are cotton like fabrics. Do well to go for cotton fabrics, and you can also use jersey fabrics. These are fabrics that are used for making sport wears. You can use them to make boxers as well. They are good fabrics that you can use for your boxers as well. And if you are someone who loves the online space, you can do well to join groups on social media. You can join all online fabric selling groups where people advertise their fabrics. You can do well to join these groups so that you can be able to buy fabrics from those people, the sellers. They will just have to send it down to your location if it is something you would love. But you have to be very careful so people don't scam you of your money. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching my video to the very end. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly click the subscribe button. And I want to see your comment in the comment sections as well. Do well to share my video with your loved ones. So guys, if you're interested in the training, kindly click the link that I'm going to be leaving in the description so you can have access to the class after payment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.